Let's look at compound interest, future value. In this problem, we're asked how much would $10,000 be worth in 12 years at 6% slash A, that's 6% per annum, which is per year, Latin for year. So 12 years at 6% per year, compounded quarterly. Okay. Well, for our answer, I always like to do this thing called the A pin, which I'm identifying the letters of the formula before I use the formula. The A, the P, the I, and the N. For future value, we want to know the value in the future. That's A, the amount. It's unknown. That's what we're going to solve for. You can get marks just for putting a question mark here saying, that's what I'm trying to solve for. We know the present value. That's the starting value, which is $10,000. And the interest is 6%, but compounded quarterly. Okay, first things first, 6% as a decimal. Divide it by 100, you get 0.06. So the interest is 6% as a decimal, but you get it quarterly. How many quarters in a year? 4. So your 6% interest, you don't get that 4 times. You get 6% total over the year, split into 4 parts. What's 6% split into 4 parts? You can do it in your head, do it on a calculator. 0.06 divided by 4, you get 0.015. That's your interest, 1.5%, 4 times a year. So the N value is how many total, it's not years, it's how many total times do you get interest compounded. You get 4 a year for 12 years, or 12 years times 4 interest per year. What's 12 times 4? 48. So we're going to solve for A using a starting value of $10,000 with interest of 0.015 every quarter for 48 times. Now let's use the formula. The formula for future value is A equals P times 1 plus I to the N. You notice I write the I cursive so it doesn't get mixed up with the 1. And I always do the exact same thing. Show these 4 variables, then first step is the formula. Second step, sub in. Don't know A yet. The P is 10,000. 1 plus the interest rate, 0.015, to the power of the number of compounds, 48. That's always my second line. Third line, a quick simplification. Add the stuff in brackets, do inside the brackets first. And this is 1.015. I just added 1 to this. 1 plus 0.I is just 1.015. All to the power of 48. And now my last move is going to be calculated all at once. I know it's going to be rounding, so I'm going to put a rounding dot. I'm going to round money to the nearest 2 decimals. When I'm typing this in my calculator, I always do the exponent stuff first. That's bedmass. 1.015 to the power of 48 equals, you don't always have to hit the equals depending on your calculator, I just like it, times 10,000. And my answer is $20,000, well, $20,434.78. What's after the 8? A 2, so I round down. And I've got my answer. But it's a word problem. Word problems always need a word answer. Therefore, it will be worth, and now my units are dollars, $20,434.78. So I solved compound interest future value word problem here by using the APIN, identifying what my variables are, subbing them into the equation, and solving them. And I'm done.